It's recording.
I'd like a Pringles and a side of battery acid, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna show my mom this. It's gonna be kick ass. It's going up on the thing. You see it on
I
there.
don't think she can see that.
Yeah, it can. Kinda.
Yeah, right now I can.
Yeah. Told you so. I like how they have these like audio effects put in.
Yeah, they do.
It isn't even damaged! Oh shit, what are we gonna do now?
It's gonna be like, whoa, it's gonna fall. How am I gonna do something like
That'd be pretty funny. They're like,
that?
oh, it's gonna
The
fall.
music kind of cuts in for a second.
They're like, whoa, it's gonna fall. Then like a blood vein pops in your head. That should be. I think it's, yeah, carnival. My new car. That's a good. He's coming right at us. Coming right for us. It's like Transformer noises. Yeah, it's like.
It's gonna come over one of these bays.
Yeah.
First we crack the shell, then we crack the nuts inside.
Well, hey, while I'm waiting
Oh,
on my
no.
mom, I'm gonna set up my Bluetooth.
Dude, I gotta make it
Like
like
a
one of those
trial
fucking
must
world
be
star
stopped.
videos.
No matter the cost.
Oh man, he getting his ass beat. He getting his ass beat.
Yeah. Fucking, I hate those so much. I want to see someone getting beat until they bleed.
Why?
It's funny.
Aren't you
It's
sending
like-
this to your mom? Why are you talking like that?
Can you see this in your mom? My mommy. It's coming right for it. Just break.
What's better than your car? It's the exact same car.
Yeah.
Just silver, and it's a Scion somehow.
I'm gonna look into getting one of these.
Really? They're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
They're
And
nice.
you
They
you
have
got
some
that for
others.
that
They have
much?
some others.
Yeah, that's a good
You gotta
ass.
find a way to get $16,000 though. All I had to do was smash my car.
I'll do the same. Don't tell the government.
All I had to do was get in a really bad wreck and get the car.
Don't tell John President. That was just a transformer noise.
What, you saying that's bad or something?
No, it was cool. It's
You
harder
should start
to.
putting in like Jurassic Park
I wish.
graphics and shit. It's going crazy with the sound effects.
It's like some shit I do in like editing. That's actually what I do.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at that.
It even comes with its own carpet.
Yeah, dude.
Would you like to beg for your lives? It sometimes helps, but not often.